Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 13th, 2021. Disney stock prediction. Guess what? I need to talk to you all about our last price prediction in Disney and tell you that we may have more weakness to go through in this space and how we might see Disney stock crash. And when you want someone to give you the heads up before the market actually crash in Disney, well, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to give you that information. We are not worried about price always going up because we want to see all sides of the market. Majority of the people on YouTube only tell you the buy side. They only tell you to buy the dips, dollar cost average, buy every time, always buy. They sound like Jim Cramer. They never come in and tell you the sell side. They never tell you to come in and win a sell, or they're expecting the price to go down. This is what differentiates us from everyone else. We play every side of the market. We could care less where price goes. We just simply want to be in position so that we can win and capitalize from the price move, whether it goes up, whether it goes down. So if you find that interesting, if you guys want to learn more, guess what? You can keep it locked in right here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to our channel. So now, first of all, I'm going to be fully transparent with each and every one of you all. I wanted to show you when we get our predictions correct, and then I'm going to show you when we get them wrong. And this is one instance to where we got the price prediction wrong in Disney. You guys can see all the way back since September the 13th, we've been expecting the price in Disney to go up, and following that video, you can see it. Price hasn't been going up into the market in Disney. But one thing I was looking at though was us seeing this price hug this support line. We already identified that as long as the market price in Disney held $170 as support, we're going to continue to play strength into the market. Well, guess what? Look at what happened the last 2 days. Price has broken that trend. So that lets me know we are no longer looking for the price in Disney to go up. I don't care what anyone's trying to say, because price is the ultimate deciding factor as to where price is headed. The market doesn't lie. Price chart doesn't lie. You have to believe what you have on price charts, because if you don't, then you might be eating the bag and be left holding the bag more massively than what you're anticipated, right? So based off of seeing Disney's price break this trend, lets me know that we have further downside to go. So now we need to cut this play then so we can minimize that loss. So let's go ahead and cut it down. That's be around 13.25% loss into the market in Disney, which is cool because the expectation now going forward is for price to continually to go down in Disney. All right, so we have to take that. So let's get rid of it. So first thing is first, I want you all to notice this though, right? So many times when there are gaps into the market always comes back and fill it, right? So from this day here, right here, December the 9th, 2020, since that day, the market has created a gap because we saw the price come all the way back down here on January 27th, but it didn't fill this gap, right? Look at this, because there's nowhere in the history of Disney that we saw this market come in and fill the gap right here. So now, is it a coincidence that this price is coming back down to fill it? It's not a coincidence. Understand, the market has to create an efficiency. And if you have gaps occur into the market, it's an efficient market because there's no trades between the buyers and the sellers. So the objective of the market maker is to create an orderly market. And when you have gaps, that's not orderly. When you have gaps, that's not being efficient. So they try to bring the market back down to create that efficiency. That is why price in Disney over the last 2 days in trading is trying to come back down and fill it now. So if anything, my expectation is for Disney to come down and fill up this gap, right? So that is at least what, another 1.25% movement to the downside. Now that's very minimal, but that is literally what I'm looking for the price in Disney to do, at least come down and complete that gap and fill it. So it's about 1.25% movement to the downside from that perspective. Now let's take a look though. We might have further to dip into the market in Disney, right? We might. So let's see if we have that on the table. So this is Disney on the 3 weeks time frame, right? Now I'm gonna keep it real. If you guys don't want to hear price going down, then you need to stop the video and move on to another YouTuber that is going to give you all the bells and whistles and the fluff and the cupcakes and the rainbows type price predictions, because we want to keep it real for our people. And on this 3-week price bar, we still have bigger movement to the downside to go in Disney. Yes, we do. Which is why we went ahead and minimized that loss that we did on our last price prediction. While everyone else is still wishing and hoping that price is going to go up in Disney, the next location is around $152, $153, right? So let's see how far that is from where price closed on Friday. That's another 3.8% movement to the downside in Disney, at least, right? We can still see the market in Disney hit that. Now, this is from a 3-weekly perspective, so that's not that bad. But given the spread of the last 3 weeks on this high volume, where else do you think we might go to find support into the market in Disney? This is the 5 weeks time frame. Take a look at this one. We still saw the market in Disney close on the low of the bar. Monthly time frame. 17 days and 3 hours left. And we're still seeing the weakness coming to the market in Disney. So yeah, initially I'm looking for the market to come here, right? On the highs of these monthly price bars in November of last year. November 2019. And then December 2019 to the high of November 2020 to December 2020, the low. Okay. That's my first spot. If we're going to see Disney break 150 though, the next spot is going to be around 140, maybe even 130. I see 130 as a pretty good spot for us to see the market in Disney come in and grab that support area too. Okay. So I'm trying to show you all the play of my expectations as to where the market in Disney is about to go. When you want to know that? Or would you like to be ignorant and not be expecting the market in Disney to go down? So let's see this. Let me go ahead and show you all the play, give you all the prediction. Then I'll let you have your day. And then I'll give you all the opportunity to tell me what are you noticing into the market in Disney. Okay. So now, like I said, we're playing the weakness here into the market in Disney. So let's go ahead and straighten up this chart. Let's go ahead and get rid of this line here because the market is no longer consolidating. We're looking for the market at first to at least come down to the high that came in on December the 9th, which was $157.46. That will also be a TP price for us into the market in Disney. Like I said, the other area for us to see the price in Disney go would be around $153. That's the first spot, which is 4.25% market move in Disney. And then the second area for us to see Disney price go would be down here towards 140. Okay. So we're looking for the price in Disney to go down to $140 ultimately. Okay, we are. But first we got a couple of stops, right? So I'm going to extend out that horizontal line because if the market is really able to hold this for support, then that's the play right there. We're not looking for the market in Disney to go no higher than that. Okay. So let me bring this in so we can continue to follow the market in Disney. And like I said, first will be for the market to come down like another 1.25%. If we still see increase in volume and strength there, that is where we need to take the bag and move on to the next play because the market is not going to go no lower. But seeing what we have on a 3 weeks time frame, I'm not looking for that to hold, which is why I'm looking for our next spot to be around $152, $153, which is like 4.25% market movement to the downside. That would be the second spot for us to eat off the play. And then lastly, the third one is around 140. That's in a longer term play, monthly time frame arena for us to see this price in Disney run down towards. All right, so that's it. I'm done. We broke that last consolidational trend, which is why we're still playing the weakest here into the market in Disney. No confusion, no fluff, no FUD, no FOMO. We are simply on guard to see where price is going to go so that we can dominate and beat everyone else in the market. There's no friends in the stock market, plain and simple. You think you got the ape community, but they're not actually on the same page. Everyone else is worried about their own pockets. So why not us? Come join this team. Join this community because this is what we do. We come in and we dominate the stock market for real. So hit me up. Let me know where you all think the price in Disney is about to go. And in the meantime, make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different. All right, I'm done.